Yo, what's up guys? My name is Lackson Jmr, and this channel is basically me trying to document my journey to reach $100,000 in top 10 funding by the end of this year. Yes, and if you are new to my channel, I am basically a trader, and honestly I am tired of trading small accounts, so I went ahead and bought 3 top 10 accounts, 2 with FundingPips, and also got 1 instant premium account with Goat Funded Trading. So the goal is simple: pass the challenges, get the funded, scale up, and I'm gonna show everything basically: the wins, the losses, the blown accounts, and the payouts. No fake stuff, just real trading. And also, if you're trying to get funded or just trying to see this prop firm thing actually works in 2026, then please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, we'll be doing this together. And yeah, this is just episode 1. In the next video, I'll be breaking down the plan I have in order to pass the challenges, and also the trades I'll be taking on the accounts. I'll be showing everything from the stop loss to TP to break even. And yeah, let's just see how this goes and see how we end up. And also, don't forget to drop a comment on which token is the best right now. So yeah, road to 100k funding by the end of this year starts now. Let's get it. What's up guys? Another early morning session. So right now I'm on the charts. Watching some YouTube videos. And
yeah, man, just had to make her. I haven't actually had this in a while. I think I rinsed it.
Price to retrace to here and maybe catch an entry to that high, but
so that's kind of why.
Yeah, that's out of the picture.
Wow, it has been.
This is what we are having right now.
Pumping. What are we talking about?
This is what we have right now.
Today is Thursday, and today we will get another win.
Yeah, that's just it basically. Let's see if we can have like a retracement to this area to take buyers maybe up until, I don't know, these liquidity highs here on the daily time frame. Would be a decent 1 to 8 RR setup, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Probably update you when I have a trade. Yeah. So what's up guys? So as of right now, we have a setup on USD. Yes. So Asia session closed. We had a break of structure above the Asia high, then price retraced, mitigated the extreme zone right here, which is right here. So I couldn't really like take an entry because my Q zone time window is I can only take a trade from 8 a.m. UK time to 11 a.m. So the Q zone just started like 10 minutes ago. So price broke and created another break of structure here and retraced to the something like the 50%, pushed up. So for this, I don't view this as a break of structure because price didn't retraced to the 50% and it pushed up. So for me, this is a break but not a break of structure. So right now price pulled back for a little bit, then started going up, and we had the retracement, and we ended up inducing this low right here, sweep liquidity below it, inducement. Right now the setup I'm looking for is for us to induce this low coming to this decisional zone with a break and test level, and then push all the way to these 4-hour highs, potential 1 to 7.65 RR setup. So yeah, I'll also need to place an alert on it so that when price is tapped in, we can have their let go off to let us know that we are in the trade. So basically this is just a simple continuation mode though. This is just continuation of what the Asia session was doing, which is going to the upside. So yeah, that's basically it. Our stop loss is 3.1 pips, as you can see, 3.1 pips, and our 1 to 7 RR setup. Then on GU, I was also looking at the same setup, but unfortunately it didn't tap me in, as you can see right here. GU didn't tap me in. So yeah, I think we're gonna wait for something like this, or if it can sweep this high. But I would like for price not to sweep this high because this is my target liquidity. So I would like for price to retrace, tap into here, then that's when maybe we can have push to the upside. Then most likely for my instant account, I'll take a trade. I'll only aim for a 1 to 2 because my aim is to just make it count as a profitable day, which is over 0.5%. So yeah, but on our funding pips phase 1, we'll look to target for a 1 to 7. Potentially, if it hits TP, then yeah, we'll pass phase 1 with this trade. So yeah, I'll update you guys once we are tapped in, whether we hit stop loss or TP. I'll update you guys. And also a quick update on what happened last week Friday. We started trading these accounts on last week Friday, so we are down 1% on one of the funding pips account. We took one loss. Then on the instant funding account with got funded trader, we are down close to 1%, 0.7%, as you can see here, 0.7%. So yeah, we took like 3 losses, then we got 1 win, which almost took us back to break even. So yeah, so that's that. But we'll see how this setup forms, and yeah, we'll see what happens for this weekend. Hopefully we can complete the minimum trading days for the instant account and hopefully pass phase 1 on one of the funding pips accounts. So yeah, looking forward to that. So like right now, trading. So yeah, let's go. What's up guys? So like right now we just got tapped into this trade here on GBP USD. So yeah, we'll be targeting these SMT highs and 4-hour high on the higher time frame. So yeah, we're buying this. We took this trade on a on a Funding Pips Pro account. We risked 1% to pass the account for a 6% profit. And also on our instant funding account, we also took this trade. So I'll update you guys if it hits stop loss or it goes to TP. So as you can see guys, we took this loss here. So now I want to re-enter from this level right here, stop loss below that low, which is further. We induced these equal lows here, our SMT target. So look for another entry here to catch a 1 to 7. So yeah, let's see how this one goes. So on our instant account, we actually got an entry around somewhere here. Now on my 5k accounts, I'm looking to get an entry for this small order block here, as in it induces this small break of structure low, get in there, then stop loss at the low down there, which is somewhere there. Yeah, TP at the 4-hour high. So yeah, if on my 5k accounts this doesn't tap me in then and runs to TP, then on my instant account I'll be up. Like I'll basically recover all the drawdown, and today will be counted as a trading day. So yeah, let's just see and wait to see what happens. Yeah, I'll update you guys. What's up guys? So like as you can clearly see, we just hit break even on the trade we entered on the instant account.
On the challenge account, we were stopped out here. Then we wanted to make an entry here, but price already moved up before I could enter. Then I had the limit set for this area right here. Price didn't tap us in and went to our direction, but I had this entry on the instant account. I was only aiming for a 1 to 2. So you can clearly see the 1 to 2 was hit here, but my TP wasn't already set. So unfortunately the trade came back to break even, and as you can see, it's going to our target. So yeah, that's pretty much it for London session. So New York session is on about 1 hour 30 minutes from now. I'll be on for New York session. So yeah, update you guys on what I see. I don't own pins. Yeah, the job, but they go in the maybe. Ain't no more winners, I'm telling you, stay back. All they look talking, they coming related. I know the singles is getting outdated. You wanna feature the nigga, just say that. What's up, guys? So just got back from somewhere, and yeah, today has been not a good day today. We took a total of 3 trades. First one was a stop loss. Second one was a break-even trade, even though we would have hit TP if we don't put our break-even there. And the third trade just hit stop loss like a few minutes ago. Yeah, so here's the trade. Here's the trade. We entered off of the inducement of this low here, and yeah, we run into profits of like, I don't know, close to 2%, I think. Yeah, we only ran for 2% profit, and that happened. Stop loss hit. So today is Monday. Yeah, 2 losses, 1 break even. We're down 2% on every account. Because this trade here, I took it on all my accounts. But if this would have hit TP, then would have passed the accounts. But yeah, it is what it is. Right now, I'm about to show you my FundingPips dashboard and how my accounts look like. So as you can clearly see, guys, this is my FundingPips dashboard. My first account, I'm down negative 2.4%, $117 loss on a 5K 2-step pro phase 1. So you can clearly see this is my dashboard. My name is up there, and we have another account, which is this one here. We've done 2.3%. Yeah, this is also a 5K 2-step pro. So like, yeah, I'm not really worried because I'm following my plan, my strategy. I'm managing my risk very well. So one good win can erase all these losses and take us into very good profit. So yeah, that's that. Then for like, took 2 trades today, as you can clearly see. Fortunately, I didn't factor in for commissions because I usually don't. I want, mainly if I hit take profit, I want to have the full profit on that trade, which is, let's say if I'm targeting a 1 to 6 hour, then it's a 1 to 6 hour, then that means I'll be making $300 on that particular trade, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's basically it. Then on our instant funding account, we are down 2% on it as well. Today would have been a winning day on that account. Today would have been a winning day, but I made a dumb decision. Like, I had extended my take profit to see if price had a lot of momentum to maybe secure a bit more profit to get us out of drawdown. But the only thing I was supposed to do was make sure today counted as a trading day, which was making 0.5%, and I didn't do that. So yeah, that's really disappointing. So otherwise, yeah, today was Monday. Catch you guys tomorrow, which is Tuesday. What's up, guys? So today, Tuesday morning, 8 a.m. So we'll be trading the London session today. So yeah, I'll see if we can get any setups, and yeah, I'll update you guys if we get any setups. So right now I'm on the charts right now. You can see I'm already on the charts. Looking at EU, and we're also looking at GU right now. So yeah, I'll see what happens. Yeah, let's get it. What's up, guys? So on Tuesday we actually ended up catching this EURUSD 4R setup that made us 4% on our accounts. So on Tuesday we only took this setup. This was the only setup we took on Tuesday. So yeah, I actually forgot to record the video after TP was hit on the setup. So yeah, this is the setup. What's up, guys? Another day on the charts. So the day today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. We had some trading setups, but ended up not taking any. We had a total of 3 setups. One was not valid because of the Q zone. It was not really my Q zone time window to take a setup, but the other 2 setups were valid, but I don't know why I didn't enter. Like, I was late in my entries, so I didn't want to risk it. So yesterday we didn't take any setup, but on the instant account we took setups yesterday, and unfortunately we lost both setups. I was only targeting for like a 1-to-1 to make a trading day count. So the screenshot is right up here of the setups I lost. Right now I just took a trade on GBP USD buy setup. We caught a 1-to-2 on our instant account. So yeah, let me show you guys. So right now just writing the trading checklist right now, and also I'm on the charts right now. So yeah, so right now this is the setup we just took. Inducement of that low, tap into POI, and yeah, TP hit. Although I could have held it for longer. My original target was that high, but I thought price might reverse from this POI here to go down, but yeah, that's not the case. So yeah, this is how the trade looked like. Then I'll also pop up a MT5 screenshot somewhere right here. There'll be an MT5 screenshot of the trade. We made 1% on it. We were risking 0.5%. So yeah, that's that. And I think this might be it, unless if we get a medium inducement of yesterday's high. If we get a medium inducement. So also on Friday, unfortunately I didn't record me taking the trades. So on Friday I took this trade on GBP USD. We're targeting these highs right here, but unfortunately price came, hit our stop loss, and then started going to our take profit target. So my stop loss at first was here. Then when I saw price create these equal highs, I was like, you know what, there's no reason for me to leave my stop loss here. I ended up moving it to these lows right here. So yeah, that was a loss. Lost like 1% on it. So yeah, that was a trade. Also during New York session, we ended up taking a trade from this zone. Yeah, so we ran into a bit of profits. We were targeting this order block. We ran into a bit of profits of like close to 1.8%, then reversed and hit our stop loss. We took a loss the same day during the morning from the GU trade. I also took it on EU, hit our stop loss right here before going to our target that was up there. Then if you take a look at the New York trade, we entered from here, and stop loss was hit here. So yeah, that was that, and we didn't take a trade thereafter. And also on Thursday we had a break-even trade. I think I'll leave the screenshot right up here. We had this trade. It was running in profits, but unfortunately our TP was somewhere around this was our TP area. Fortunately we couldn't hit our TP, which was right here. We ended up closing at break even, as you can clearly see, guys. So the screenshot of the trade on trading will be right here. Yeah, so yeah, that's that. So guys, just an update. We ended the week. Today is actually Saturday. I'll be posting the video today in about a few minutes. I already done editing it. So yeah, today, Saturday, we ended the week in drawdown. Unfortunately, on our accounts, one of our accounts is only down like 0.7%. The other account is down like 4%. I was taking majority of the trades on that account, and yeah, on one of my accounts I'm down, should be 2%. So like we ended the week in drawdown. So this was episode 1 of the road to 100k by the end of this year. So yeah, next week we're back trading again with the accounts, and hopefully we can take some winning trades in the markets, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave the questions in the comment section. And yeah, next up is going to be episode 2, which will be next week, and I'll be dropping every video by Saturday or Friday, depending on how busy I'll be. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Let's get it.